Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo IQOO 05 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and now let's start with the top of the list. Right here you can change your display brightness level manually or via auto brightness. Then you can enable or disable eye protection, schedule it and change its intensity. Next you can enable dark mode, also schedule it, and also change its intensity. Then you can enable or disable dim wallpapers in dark mode and manage third-party app management. Next you can change auto lock between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable portrait orientation lock, change font style, font size, change screen colors between standard, professional, bright, and also adjust color temperature. Then you can change screen refresh rate between smart switch 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Next you can enable or disable Ultra HD and dynamic compensation. Then you can enable or disable low brightness anti-flicker, manage full screen display of apps, and adjust display at top of the screen. For example, you can change between automatic fitting, display the front camera, or hide front camera. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.